In 2001, one of the most dangerous drug lords in the world didn't escape through violence. He didn't break walls. He didn't start a riot. He simply walked out, hidden inside a laundry cart. This is a true story of El Chapo's first escape, and how an entire prison system failed to stop one man. Joaquín El Chapo Guzmán wasn't always a global name. Born into poverty in rural Mexico, he rose to the drug trade with one weapon above all others: strategy. By the 1990s, El Chapo was a key figure in the Sinaloa cartel, controlling massive drug routes into the United States. But in 1993, his luck ran out. He was arrested in Guatemala and sent to prison in Mexico. El Chapo was placed in Puente Grande prison, officially a maximum security facility. But in reality, it was anything but. Guards were underpaid, corruption was common, rules were flexible. If you had money, and El Chapo had plenty of it. Inside prison, El Chapo didn't live like a typical inmate. Reports later revealed he had better food, access to visitors, and communication with the outside world. Slowly, quietly, he began preparing. Every day, laundry carts moved in and out of prison. No one questioned them. No one searched them carefully. And that's when the idea formed, not to fight the system, but to blend into it, not for a violent escape, but for something far simpler. That on the day of the escape, everything looked normal. Guards followed routine. Prisoners followed orders. And somewhere inside the facility, El Chapo disappeared. No alarms, no gunshots, no chase. By the time officials realized something was wrong, he was already gone. When prison staff finally checked his cell, it was empty. Panic spread. The question wasn't just how he escaped, but how no one noticed. An entire prison had failed. Quietly, the escape shocked Mexico and embarrassed the government. Investigations followed. Guards were arrested. Officials denied responsibility, but the damage was done. El Chapo was free. For over a decade, El Chapo rebuilt his empire. His legend grew. His power expanded. Until years later, he would be captured again. An escape again. That El Chapo's first escape wasn't about strength. It wasn't about violence. It was about corruption, routine, and the danger of underestimating one man. Sometimes, the simplest plan is the most effective.
Subscribe.